Connecting your Dell monitor to your laptop without a docking station is simpler than ever. The most versatile option is USB-C, which provides a complete single cable solution. USB-C delivers video, audio, and power through a single cable. It supports up to 4K resolution at 60 Hz, but requires your laptop to have a USB-C port with DisplayPort Alt Mode capability. Not all USB-C ports support video output. Check your laptop's manual or look for specific port markings. Ports with DisplayPort or Thunderbolt symbols typically support monitor connections. HDMI is the most universal connection method, compatible with virtually all laptops and monitors. It's reliable and widely supported across different devices and manufacturers. HDMI comes in different versions with varying capabilities. HDMI 2.0 supports 4K at 60 Hz, which is perfect for most productivity tasks and standard gaming. For gaming laptops, HDMI 2.1 offers enhanced performance with 4K at 120 Hz support, providing smoother gameplay and better visual experience for high refresh rate monitors. The connection process is straightforward for both methods. Simply connect the appropriate cable between your laptop and monitor, then select the correct input source on your monitor's settings menu. Both USB-C and HDMI provide reliable direct connections without the need for expensive docking stations. Choose USB-C for an all-in-one solution with power delivery, or HDMI for maximum compatibility across devices. For a completely cable-free setup, wireless connections offer flexibility and convenience. There are two main wireless options available for connecting your Dell monitor to your laptop. Miracast is built directly into Windows 10 and 11, requiring no additional hardware. Dell Mobile Connect offers enhanced performance on select Dell monitors with proprietary wireless technology. Miracast is the most accessible wireless display technology. It's built into Windows and requires no additional software or hardware to get started. To connect via Miracast, open the Windows Action Center and click the Connect tile. Your Dell monitor should appear in the available devices list if it supports wireless display. Dell Mobile Connect provides enhanced wireless performance with lower latency than standard Miracast. It's available on select Dell monitors and offers seamless integration between your laptop and mobile devices. Even with proper setup, you may encounter some common issues. Here are the most frequent problems and their solutions. Resolution limitations often occur due to cable quality. Always use certified cables that meet the bandwidth requirements for your desired resolution. Audio issues are common when connecting external monitors. Check your Windows sound settings and ensure HDMI audio is set as the default output device. Power delivery issues occur when the monitor cannot provide sufficient wattage for your laptop. Check both devices' specifications and use a separate power adapter if necessary. Wireless connections provide excellent flexibility for modern workspaces. Whether using built-in Miracast or Dell's enhanced wireless technology, proper setup and troubleshooting knowledge ensures a smooth, cable-free experience.